Right, here we have a report about the international organization called IOM evacuated a lot of Somali people who lived in Yemen. IOM, or the organization called IOM, has started to evacuate a lot of Somalis in Sana'a by plane. They tried to evacuate it by plane during the civil war, which was the civil war that continued in Yemen. So IOM, at the same time, made a great effort to rescue the refugees those lived in Yemen, which cooperating with, they were cooperating whereby they were cooperating with Somali embassy and the organization called NCRI. So IOM, continued to evacuate a lot of Somalis, which they tried their own best to evacuate them. So sometimes they used to face a lot of problems, obstacles, or hindrances according to the weather, because the weather was not very good and it was not open, because there were a lot of airstrike that goes by cruised by Saudi allies, with the other Arab countries. So in the meantime, they used to work together in order to help these people during their journey, and used to offer them money. So actually that means individually, which they could cover their needs per work until their journey comes or gets ready. So IOM's work was to deport. To deport means to evacuate the refugees who were in critical situation and evacuated them back to their homeland. So in this year, IOM evacuated 13 times. Evacuated the Somali refugees, those who were volunteered, to go back to their homeland, 13 times, trip. So I think the last, trip was, a week ago. So actually, the IOM, was greatly, made it for great to take their Somali back them, So that's all actually for our report. Thank you.
Yes, good evening. Actually, after a long day today together with the beneficiaries, our brother and sister from Somalia, we had an issue a little bit with the delay of the boat because of things out of our control. But alhamdulillah, finally it is managed, and also with the support of the ambassador, Mr. Abdullah, Excellency, we were able to get the people on board. So finally we are resuming the operation after kind of hold on for about 2 months, and hopefully the operation and the voluntary return assistance to Somalis that are willing to return back home shall continue for the coming few months. So today we are arranging the 13th movement, and hopefully we shall have another movement this week. And we shall continue together with the coordination with the embassy and our authorities partners here in Yemen and NCRI. Hopefully we shall be able to continue successfully despite the whole challenges and difficulties that we are facing on the ground.